Be, come back here. Be, come back here. Be, come back here. Come to Dada. Be. Be, wait lang. Be, wait lang. Wait lang. And this is Santa Barbara Heights. It's a road going to the airport. And you can see the structures. Other businesses are still closed, but you can still hang out on this area this afternoon. It opens afternoon until night time to chill before fetching someone in the airport. This is, I think, Mercato. Mercato, yeah, Mercato. The Santa Barbara Heights are is promoting it. Just visit it before. Just visit it if you have time going to the airport. So, Mercato, there's chicken inasal there. There's milk tea. There's for coffee shop. There's also comfort room if you need one. It's a road near the airport.